Hi everybody! I was gifted this awesome book by Molly Harrison by one of my dear friends, and it has some absolutely adorable images in it. And the only problem, it's on Crate Space paper, and I am not a fan of Crate Space paper. So I am going to take this book apart. And the first thing I do is break the spine. And that's just laying the book flat, folding it back, and breaking the spine. Now this is glue based. And although you can cut them out, if you break the spine and start with that and go that easy. First page out. You just have to go slow and very slow, and use pressure. And if you run into trouble, you can always pull out your handy dandy hair dryer or heat gun and melt the glue. But on this small book, it's coming apart relatively easily. I want to make sure I go slow so that I don't end up just tearing the pages. But if you break the spine and pop out the glue, it's relatively easy. Some of the more expensive books that you get, or I shouldn't say more expensive, the bigger books, you do have to use a heat gun to melt the glue, because the glue is really thick on the bigger books. But this is a small little book, and what I'm going to do is, once I get the pages out, I am going to, isn't that the most adorable picture? I am going to run this through a scanner, make it a PDF, and then I will print it on the paper that I would like to use, which currently I'm obsessed with Neenah paper. So, but yeah, it's that easy. I see in streams people asking about how you take apart a book, and it can be as easy as what I just did. I've got half the book taken apart already, and it took me 3 minutes. And I'm trying to keep the pages in order so that whenever I scan it, it's in the same order that they were in the book. But you just have to be patient. Make sure you break that glue and just work ever so slowly to pull the pages out. So that is how I take apart a book. No knives, just the power of your hands. Thank you for joining me. This is Evelyn. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel if you're not a member, and thank you. You have a good day. Bye.